Now it's already cut our corns. Only little left here. Our goats. Where is some our goats there? Our 6 goats, I think. I don't know where are they. They are roaming around here in our fields. And one also here. So it's already bundled like this. And this corns, dried corns, leaves and trees of corns, we have to sell this one. Who will buy this one there? We have to give somebody because they have cow. She have cow. And who is somebody here in neighbors, they are carrying buffalo or cow. So this kind of feeds or corns or dried grasses, we have to keep this one for their feeds during winter season, especially in snow falling. So this is not, we are not burning this one here. Grasses, grasses still you did not start to cut. Like that kind of grasses. Now we have to cut this one also and make bundle. So I come here down because I bring tea for my husband and half paratha. So only little left here. So this is the way we have to cut this kind of corns. How many days already? 1 month ago? 1 month ago when we removed this corns? Yeah. I think 1 month ago we removed these corns because of this wild pig. They come here to eat these corns. So we remove first the corns. As you can see, no more here. Only this one. This one no more. So we remove first the corns and then we have to cut like this. Very hard to cut. I come here also to help just few minutes and bring this 1 cup of tea with half paratha. So only little left here. Fahad is there up because he's taking breakfast. So I tell him to care for a while langga. So I have to go back again there, and Fahad also, he will come here to help. Must be finish this one all here. So we can make bundle like this because this already dried. You see our goats. They are security of my husband. Where is Tiger? He did not come here. Tiger also is coming here to visit sometimes. You see our goats, they are eating. You see this one is already full. That's why he's already lying down or sitting down. None again stand up. But there is some more here there. We did not remove all na this corn. No, I think there's yan oh, may dalawa oh. Ito. Yan. Dry na. Yan, ito meron dito oh. Ayan oh, there is also here there. I remove. This one, oh. Ah? Okay. Acha. So, no problem. Just I put here. Ayan. Like this kind of grasses, my husband, he will cut this one all. Yan. Ito mga grasses. This already soya, yung ano, yung anong tawag nila dito, yung soya, yung rosemary. Ayan, may flowers na, oh. Ito yung mga radish leaves. Radish, ang dami ng tubers, oh. So need to remove these tubers here in radish. Ayan. Ayan si Likay, oh. Nagpapahinga siya. So I will go now up because Fahad, he will come here to help also because only few left here to cut. Hanggang doon yung mais, oh. Ayan, ayan mga ano, na bundle-bundle na. So dito, we are not burning these grasses, cut grasses, dried grasses. We keep this one foods for animals, for our goats, for buffalo, for cow. During winter, snow falling. Because all of this grasses dried, walang mga ano, wala nang makain. Kasi dried na itong mga ito, magiging dry ito lahat. Ito yung tree ng peach, magiging yellow din ito lahat, and then makakalbo din ito. Ayan. Somebody is making extension there, my husband nephew. They have to make extension. I think this is kitchen, one washroom and one veranda, yung terrace. My sister-in-law house, this one, and her son, they have to make extension. Ito naman yung mga mais at saka yung mga dried na grasses. Ayan, na tali-tali na din, na bandel-bandel. Ayan. Yun, doon din. Yung may-ari dito sa taas. Yan, kasi may alaga siyang baka at saka may anak din na lalaki yata. 6 months ago, yung ano, nung nanganak yung kaon niya. Yan, yung bahay nila. Ayan, ito din yung sa baba namin. Yan. Yan. Ito din yung mga ano, mga mais din at saka grasses, dried grasses. Yan. Yan, ito pa, pwede pa ito. Ito din mga grasses, ito din yan, ikakat din yan. Yan. Kakat din itong mga grasses na yan. So, bali doon sa taas namin, ibibigay daw yung ano, o ibibinta yung mga ano, dried corns na leaves o kaya puno, saka mga grasses. Hindi pa nag-umpisa sila kay na ano, mag-cutting grasses. Yung mais lang muna ang inuna niya. Yan, marami pag ikakat yan na mga grasses. Ano sa amin ito, itong mga grasses na ito. Yan, mga pine trees. Sa amin din yan, ano, yung kapatid niyang tatlo, ay dalawa yung sa Germany. Yan, mga grasses, oh.